I wonder if you can remember how often you have been in a conversation with English speakers and found yourself reaching for the right words. Feeling hesitant because you want to express yourself correctly, but you just aren't confident enough to do so. Learning English as a second language is not easy. I know because it was hard for me too. But you and I both know that once you can speak fluently in English, you'll be able to achieve success at any English-speaking school or company in the world. So I made sure that using the Power Vocabulary Builder gives you that command. I worked with the developers as they wrote lessons exclusively for this program to make sure they were easy for non-native speakers to understand. As you work through these lessons, you begin to develop total mastery of each and every word. These English words quickly begin to roll off the tip of your tongue in everyday conversation. You begin to speak English powerfully and precisely. And suddenly, you will find yourself enjoying greater respect from everyone around you. Every aspect of the Power Vocabulary Builder is designed to give you this advantage. And best of all, you will do it in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Build a list. You'll make the most of every minute of study time as the list builder helps you learn only the words you need to know to achieve total English fluency. Our expert panel of developers identified over 2,200 words that are crucial to English fluency. These are the words most often used in business, the media, English tests, and in university studies. These are the words that will catapult you to the highest level of success in the English-speaking world. You can choose your list from pre-programmed exercises, which lists words in order of their prevalence in business communication, the news media, and university studies. Or, with just a few clicks, you can create a fully customized list focused on your specific needs. 3 separate filters allow you to narrow your focus in over 7 million ways, allowing you to build lists for everything from a job interview to working with a legal department to science and literature classes and beyond. And once you've selected your list, the Power Vocabulary Builder gives you even more power to sort your words in a variety of ways so that you begin speaking fluent English as quickly as possible. Step 2. Master vocabulary words. As you begin to experience the custom word lessons, you immediately realize why the Power Vocabulary Builder will have such a dramatic impact on your English fluency. You'll hear an actual human voice correctly pronouncing the word and eliminating any possibility of error, so you'll never have to worry about embarrassing mistakes.
Abate.
You'll read definitions written in easy-to-understand language that make the word's meaning crystal clear and easily absorbed. This lets you understand and learn the words you will hear as you interact with native speakers faster and easier. Multiple synonyms and antonyms plant the meaning still further in your mind and allow you to link between words to deepen your understanding and fluency. As you explore a full range of learning tips, including word histories and memorization tricks, you'll feel the word beginning to embed itself into your memory. And finally, as you read 4 unique examples of the word in use, you'll begin to see it slipping easily into your everyday conversations. You'll find yourself comfortably speaking fluent English. This proven formula is guaranteed to help you master vital English vocabulary words faster than any other method. Unlike other programs that only give you definitions to memorize, the Power Vocabulary Builder's formula for mastery will help you become 100% fluent with the words you need to learn to live, study, or work with native English speakers. Step 3. Test your mastery of new words. Once you've learned several words, it's time to cement that knowledge with the power test. Power testing not only reinforces the lessons you've learned, it builds your confidence and uncovers the words that need continued study. 2 testing methods give you flexibility. Use multiple choice for reinforcing lessons, and fill-in-the-blank testing to fortify your ultimate mastery of each word. As you complete each test, the program will mark each word as trouble, progressing, or mastered to help you assess your progress and sharply focus your ongoing efforts. Additionally, the Power Vocabulary Builder gives you the ability to print lists for use away from your computer, making it possible to build a successful vocabulary anywhere, at any time. And the Add a Word feature allows you to continue to build your lists of English vocabulary words beyond the original list of 2,200 words. As you consider the range of benefits the Power Vocabulary Builder provides, you will begin to see that each and every lesson was developed to help you quickly speak fluent English. The flashcard system has been shown to help you learn new words 10 to 100 times faster than any other method of study, allowing you to learn and master new English words with lightning speed. Hearing the word spoken by an actual human voice
abate
dramatically increases your recall and helps ensure proper pronunciation and accent. Fill-in-the-blank testing has been shown to be the best way to test and reinforce your mastery of new words. The Power Vocabulary Builder has been built on a firm scientific foundation that empowers you to quickly and easily master new English vocabulary words and effortlessly use them in your next meeting, class, or everyday conversation. As the Power Vocabulary Builder enables you to develop the vocabulary of a native English speaker, you'll begin to see the growing respect of those around you. Searching for words becomes a thing of the past as your communication is suddenly filled with confidence and authority. That confidence and powerful vocabulary are a proven catalyst for greater academic and career success. And you can begin developing them in the next 2 minutes when you download the Power Vocabulary Builder now.